Hello guys. Say hello to Akhilesh. Finally.
everyone.
Yay. So finally we got off together after such a long time. It's a Saturday and we are going out for movie.
Yay.
Yeah, first movie after like 2 years. Yeah.
Yeah, after coming to Canada for sure.
Yeah, and on hall. Although हमने लॉकडाउन और वैसे इतना कंटेंट देख लिया है कि मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ इट हार्डली मैटर्स और
I
नॉट.
think सभी का ही हाल ये होगा.
आई नो.
काउच पोटैटो तो सभी बन गया.
एक वो वीडियो आई थी ना अखिलेश विच वी सॉ इन विच ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वी हैव कंज्यूम सो मेनी कंटेंट.
Yeah,
He was a
yeah.
comedian, right? You guys should watch it. If I get the link, I'll add it in the description. Like he says all the truth, like कि हमने कितना content देखा है in the lockdown and कितना content आ रहा है, and we are also one of the content creators now. So nice. It's raining today, and
Beautiful weather, beautiful.
yeah, but it's raining. Like I don't know.
It has stopped now. See outside.
Yeah, and this is like the outside of our building. I'm like, और हम मूवी हॉल पहुंच गए हैं. बहुत ही ਵੱਡਾ ਤੇ ਸੋਹਣਾ सा मूवी हॉल लगता ਪਿਆ ਹੈ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੋਂ. पता नहीं अंदर से कैसा होगा. कैसा लग रहा है अखिलेश? Are you excited? Movie after so long. No movie every day, but movie after so long in picture hall. Would you like to tell which movie we are watching? Or you forgot the name?
Something die every day.
Dying. Guys, it was not die every day. It's no time to die.
वही एक कोई गला.
Anyways, but मेरी फैमिली इंडिया में वो भी देख के आई. लाइक माई सिस्टर एंड माई मॉम वॉच्ड हौसला रख और वो कह रहे थे कि वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. इट्स अ फनी मूवी. दिलजीत दोसांझ. हम थोड़े लेट हो गए नो टाइम टू डाई देखने के लिए. इट्स लाइक जेम्स बॉन्ड. या
Yeah, it released last like September end. It released. Yeah.
या बट हम लेट हो गए. हम आज जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए.
But the weather is so nice. You can show that side
या श्योर.
or from this side towards your back.
Colors, see all the colors of the trees. I like red trees. Akhilesh, I think we have fall in India too, right?
Yeah,
Like,
we do.
but we don't see red trees over there, guys. Tell me, why don't we see red trees in India? Fall
Why are
we
you
have
asking all the questions to me?
because because you are the only person with me here today. This
I'm no
evening.
scientist, bro.
Guys, while we are waiting to enter, we are little early over here. तो मैंने सोचा मैं डिस्कस कर लूँ what are the shows we are watching right now. Binge watching. वैसे मैंने Little Things binge watch किया कल without Akhilesh and it was nice. But yeah, but we are binge watching a lot of other shows too. Akhilesh, yeah, we watched Ted Lasso as well and which one else? Ted Lasso is on Apple TV. It's a really good show. If you guys want to.
C was really awesome. Jason Momoa's
Yeah.
show. Yeah, the shooting is done in Canada and so awesome, like crazy. Like our favorite dialogue from that movie is "Chat Chat."
From that show is yet yeah.
So do watch that show.
Yeah.
What do you mean by "Chat Chat"? See that? It's nice.
Yeah, it's on Apple TV and Jason Momoa. Yeah, it's a nice. I think it's a shooter in Vancouver itself. So Ted Lasso, C, but it's a little heavy, right? C is little heavy.
Yeah, yeah. for
Yeah. Not like heavy in terms of food, guys. Like
sure. No.
don't make me know.
But for sure, it's a must watch.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. Like after Money Heist, this was one of the good ones. Money Heist, although last season was not that great. Yeah.
Yeah, my expectations were very high from the last season, but it was like just okay. Yeah. Yeah. But I think we have watched a lot of things. मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को चश्मा लग जाएगा
But
जितना
I'm
binge watching करते
still craving for another like good Indian series or something. Beach mein there were so many series which came
Yeah.
and I enjoyed a lot like watching those series. But right now I haven't seen really good ones. There is one that Kota that I've been watching these days.
Yeah, a lot of people are appreciating Kota Factory. I couldn't
Kota
watch it because maybe I'm not into like. I mean, I never been into that stuff, so I didn't like it. I watched like first episode. I was like, oh, IIT, not my cup of tea, and then I just he watched it alone, so yeah, he liked it.
It's a good one.
Yeah,
ये स्कॉशिया बैंक की तरफ से होगा.
the VIP lunch. So this is how the hall looks like from inside. I think it's pretty much the same. Like you have Pacific, but they have this something called VIP lounge. Then Scotia Bank.
Cine Club is for you. Join the club today.
Movie night.
There's something happening to me. There's something awakening in my mind. I can't control it. What did you see?
Hi guys. तो हम मूवी देखा है and honest review, no time to die is like no time to take a breath. इतनी ज़्यादा एक्शन था कि like थोड़ा टाइम तो एब्जॉर्ब ही नहीं हो पाया कि इतना ज़्यादा एक्शन है. एंड मतलब मेरे को सैड भी नहीं फील हुआ when James Bond died, but yeah I felt like the scene was very bold. मतलब बहुत ही ग्लोरियस सा सीन बना रखा था. Like
But
what?
really nice movie.
Yeah. What honest review, Akhilesh? How would you rate the movie out of 5?
I would say it's a more or less 4.8, 9ish,
Ooh.
almost 5, right, for me because I really enjoyed.
Wow.
But the movie has released. But
Yeah,
but yeah,
it is.
must.
Yeah, but it was nice. It was nice. It was a good watch. Yeah. Now we are out for dinner. So we are in this place called Social House.
Brown social.
Date night today. And then
Social house.
we're gonna have some fun tonight. Yeah, I'll just show you guys the place. It's beautiful. It's nice.